Welcome back to your favorite car review show.
But this time, we're in the senior lot. Let's jump in.
Welcome to Gears in Guam. Alright guys, I am here with
Blaine Heisey.
Alright, now Blaine, tell me, what model truck is this?
This is a 1999 Ford F350 7.3-liter Power Stroke.
Alright, now tell me, Blaine, what is your favorite thing about this truck?
Probably that it rolls coal.
All right. Who am I here with today?
You're here with Roman Brummel.
All right, Roman. What kind of car do you have?
I got a 2018 Willys Jeep.
Nice. I love the blue. It's very nice and small, actually. What's your favorite thing about your Jeep?
Could go anywhere, take anywhere off-road, anywhere.
That's always great, you know. You never get stuck. Let's show it off. All right, and who am I here with today?
Anna Veranda.
All right, Anna. What kind of car do you have?
An Audi A4 2015.
Okay, 2015 Audi A4. I love it. What's your favorite thing about this car?
How fast it goes, for sure.
Oh, really? Is it really fast?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Okay, now I am here with...
Avery Syvac,
Now Avery, what model car is this?
a 2015 Ford Explorer.
Alright, nice. What's your favorite thing about this car?
My favorite thing is all my stickers on the back.
Now which one is your favorite sticker?
My favorite one is the SpongeBob and Patrick because it's like me and Nina.
All right, and who am I here with today?
Colton Rambler,
Holden. All right, what kind of car do you have here?
2020 Chevy Trailblazer.
2020 Chevy Trailblazer. That pretty nice, man. I love the white top. Okay. What's your favorite thing about this car?
Have to be the teen driver.
Okay, that's amazing. What's it about? What's teen driver?
Well, it can't go over 85. Not that I do that anyway. And yeah, the volume doesn't go all the way up.
Wow, that's very fun, isn't it?
No, it's actually very depressing.
Wow. Okay. All right.
I'm a big kid now.
Maria, what model car is this?
2004 Honda Civic.
It has been completely redesigned, so it is more powerful, safer, quieter, and more spacious, with ultra-low emissions and improved fuel economy. Introducing the all-new Civic from Honda. Amazing, but true.
Why can't they park in the garage like everyone else?
Okay, nice. And what is your favorite part about this masterpiece of a car?
My favorite part about my car is the tape on the windows.
The tape? How did this happen?
Well, actually, the windows, one time someone rolled it down and then it wouldn't come back up, so my dad tried to fix it, but he took the motor out, and so now if you don't tape them, they'll just fall down.
Okay, well, that's just how it goes.
All right, and now I'm here with.
Jake Lackey.
All right, Jake. What kind of car do you have here for us?
This is a 2021 Ford Bronco.
Wow. I mean, I love it. You know, black's one of my favorite colors on these cars. But what's your favorite thing about this Bronco?
My favorite thing about the Bronco would definitely have to be the GOAT mode, which is go on all-terrain mode.
All right. So, name some type of terrains that you've taken this thing on.
Well, I haven't really gone on it yet because it's pretty new, but my parents are planning to take it down to the beach, so sand, that'll be fun.
All right, that's pretty cool.